Hi everybody. Thank you for coming to session number 6. Today what we're going to talk about is charting your success. One of the things that you know, or that you should know, is that every 4 leads will give you a transaction, will give you a sale. So that's how you can start from there. That's your starting point. And then you can build your plan. But what I want you to do, instead of building a 1-year plan, build a 12-week plan. Have it a 12-week year and not a 12-month year. You will be way more effective because 80% of the result, if you do it by the year, will be done in the last 20%. What we want to do is create that quarterly. So the focus will be much better, your rewards will be more frequent, and you will enjoy your business a little bit better and not thinking about the whole year is a little bit overwhelming. Let's bring that down to a 12-week year. Go to 12weekyear.com to get a little bit more information. Let's try that, help you with that implementation, and I think that the result will be far better at the end of the day, and you'll be able to reach your goals a little bit easier. See you at the next session.